Sa video natin ngayon mga maestro ay pag-usapan at alamin naman natin itong new design mga maestro ng DepEd uniform. Ayan, so good news. Hindi ko alam kung good news or bad news. Ayan, pero ito po ay kabababa lamang po, mainit pa. Ngayong araw po mismo ito ibinaba yung DepEd memorandum ito, yung DepEd memorandum number 028 series of 2025. Ito nga po ay inilabas na, official na pong inilabas ng DepEd ang atin pong magiging bagong set of uniforms in the coming school years. Ayan. So ito po, ito po yung DepEd memorandum na yan. Papakita ko po sa inyo mga kamaestro. Ayan, habang malapit na nating matanggap yung ating clothing allowance. Ayan. So ito na yung susunod. Magpapatahi na tayo nitong ating or bibili nitong ating bagong set of uniforms na gagamitin po natin para sa mga susunod po mga school year. Alright? Ayan. So ito nga po, March 24, 2025. So ngayong araw po mismo, nakalagay dyan, DepEd Memorandum number 028, Series 2025. Ayan, guidelines on the new Department of Education National Uniform for classroom and office-based personnel. Alright? So ito po hindi lang po sa mga teachers. Siyempre kasama rin po ang ating mga kasamahan sa non-teaching personnel. Okay? So ito po yung bahagi po ng memorandum. Ayan, basahin po natin yung mga importanteng bahagi. Ano po mga kamaestro? Ayan, the Department of Education announces the adoption of the 3 new sets of DepEd National Uniform designs for classroom and office-based personnel starting the transition period of the school year 2025-2026. Alright, so malinaw po dyan mga kamaestro, So ito po ay 3 sets of DepEd National Uniform designs. Ayan, so kung mapapansin po natin, nabawasan ng isa, kasi ito po yung dati nating ginagamit, ay 4 na set po yan, iba sa Monday, iba sa Tuesday, iba sa Wednesday, and iba sa Thursday. So ngayon po, medyo nabawasan ng isa, and then hopefully sana in the coming years, ayan, nagawa po natin ng video yan, tinalakay po natin yan doon sa mga nauna po natin video, na sana po ay maging isa na lang po, isa na lang ang maging uniform ng DepEd, para naman yun na po yung pinaka-identity po natin, mga kamaestro. But siguro ito na yung unang step, at least nabawasan na ng isa, so 3 set na lang po tayo ng school uniform. Alright? And then nakalagay din po dito, ayan, to provide ample time for DepEd officials and employees, collectively referred to as DepEd personnel, to prepare and purchase new sets of prescribed uniforms, the school year 2025-2026 shall be considered a transition period. During the transition period, DepEd personnel can still wear their old uniforms. Starting school year 2026-2027, all DepEd personnel shall wear the prescribed new set of uniforms. So malinaw po dito mga kamaestro, ito pong parating na school year, ito pong school year 2025 to 2026 ay transition period po mga kamaestro. So meron po tayong choice kung susuotin na po ba natin pagdating ng June sa pasukan is yung bagong uniform, or pwede pa rin po natin gamitin itong ating old uniform mga kamaestro. So kung ikaw ay medyo marami-raming ekstrang pera dyan, ayan, pwede ka na magpatahi. And syempre, kung nakapagpatahi ka na or nakabili ka na, pwede mo nang gamitin yan sa darating po na opening of classes po natin sa June. Pero kung syempre, katulad ko, medyo nasa-short tayo minsan sa pera, sa budget, mayroon pa naman tayong mayroon pa naman tayong ample time para magpatahi po ng uniform, at hindi pa naman po tayo nire-required na magsuot po ng bagong set of uniform pagdating po ng pasukan ngayong June, mga kamaestro. So yun, transition period pa lang po tayo, huwag tayong mag-alala, mga kamaestro. Meron po tayong option kung susuotin na po natin itong bagong set of uniform or yung ating dating set of uniforms. Alright, ayan. Then nakalagay po din po dito, only the approved national uniform shall be used by all DepEd personnel to maintain uniformity across all offices and schools. There shall be no regional office, RO, and schools division office uniform. So malinaw po dyan mga kamaestro, So iisa lamang po tayo sa buong Pilipinas. Ayan, mula Mindanao hanggang Luzon, mga kamaestro. Ayan, mula Apari hanggang Hulo, isa lang po ang ating susuting uniform. Wala po tayong regional uniform, at lalo na po, wala po tayong school uniform, mga kamaestro. So from Monday hanggang Tuesday or Thursday, isa lang po ang uniform po na ating susuotin. Alright? Ayan. Then, ito naman po, in recognition to the varying geographical climate conditions, no specific fabric will be prescribed, provided the design and color of the fabrics used are compliant with the guidelines and consistent with RA number 9242, otherwise known as the Philippine Tropical Fabric Law, and its 2023 amended implementing rules and regulation. Ayan, so wala pong specific na na tela na pwede na po natin gamitin. So as long as nasunod po natin yung design and color po ng uniform po natin ay walang problema. Syempre, ang pipiliin po natin yung medyo presko naman po, mga kamestro. Wag naman yung sobrang kapal ng tela kasi alam naman natin, lalo na pag pasok po ng March, ayan, talagang sobrang init na po, mga kamestro. Next po, ayan, the teaching and non-teaching personnel from the central office, CO, RO, and SDOs and schools are free to purchase and obtain the prescribed uniform materials from any available source that complies with the standards set. On the other hand, DepEd employee, unions, associations, organizations, or cooperatives are encouraged to offer the prescribed DepEd school uniform materials to their members, subject to their consent, to avail of a more reasonable discounted price and facilitate uniformity of colors, material of uniform to be purchased. Ayan. So, ayan. I-encourage po na kung hangga't maaari, iisa lang po yung ating pagbibilhan ng tela na papatahi po natin. Para nga naman, iisa lang po yung kulay po, especially po sa school, mga kamestro, kasi minsan, di ba, iba-iba yung kulay po ng uniform po natin, although pareho yung design, pero minsan, yung isa dark, isa naman medyo light. Ayan, so para maiwasan po yun, in-encourage po na kumbaga magkaroon po mag-initiate po ang bawat school organizations, mga cooperatives para isa lang daw po ang kulay sa buong schools. Alright? Then next po, in alignment with CSC Memorandum Circular number 16 series 2024, and this internal guidelines modifications or adjustments to the new uniform design shall be allowed solely to ensure inclusivity in the workplace. However, such modifications shall be limited to altering short sleeves to long sleeves and the like of religious reasons. The overall design and color of the uniform shall remain unchanged to maintain uniformity across DepEd. Alright? This is to reiterate and inform all concerned that DepEd has not endorsed, accredited, or authorized any particular supplier to approach the CO, RO, and SDOs to declare themselves as the exclusive distributor of the fabric materials for the DepEd uniforms. Any uniform suppliers visiting DepEd offices and using the name of any DepEd official to secure a uniform supply deal must be reported to the office of the secretary, especially captioned as Attention DepEd Uniform Committee. Alright, so yun po. Wala pong official po na ini-endorse ang DepEd na sino mang mananahi, sino mang negosyante, na sa kanila kukunin po yung tela na gagamitin po sa pagpapatahi po ng ating school uniform. Ayan, so wala po, kumbaga walang kinikilingan ng DepEd, kahit sino po ay pwedeng maging supplier, kahit sino po ay pwedeng manahi ng ating uniform, as long as na syempre sila ay mayroong capability na magawa po yung design po na ibinigay po ng DepEd. Alright? Ayan, then all concerned must send to the DepEd Central Office a written report of any DepEd personnel who compel or coerce teaching and non-teaching personnel to purchase the uniform materials from a specific source or supplier. Ayan, so walang perasahan sabihin, oy, dito ka na bumili sa amin. Walang ganon, mga kamestro. So mayroon po tayong kalayaan na pumili kung saan po natin gustong bumili or magpatahi po ng ating school uniform. If a DepEd employee is unable to comply with the dress code, he must file a written request for exemption from their head of office through their respective personnel unit at least 15 days in advance for approval. If the request is approved, the department or the DepEd personnel shall report to work in the approved requested clothing or at least in smart casual attire. Alright, so ito po, Ito na po yung schedule for wearing the new DepEd national uniforms. Ayan. And for Monday po, nakalagay dyan, Designs A. Ito po para sa mga classroom-based personnel, ibig sabihin sa mga teaching personnel, So nakalagay dyan, Designs A for male and female, ayan, ASEAN and Filipiniana inspired. Pag Tuesday naman po, Designs B for male and female. Pag Wednesday, Design C for male and female. And pag Thursday, ito na po yung sinasabi natin kanina, mauulit lamang po yung pang Tuesday. Ibig sabihin, yung Tuesday and Thursday ay iisa lamang po, mga kamaestro. So Design B po ang gagamitin po natin, both for male and female. Ibig sabihin, nabawasan na nga po tayo ng isang set po ng uniform, from 4 down to 3. Then pag Friday naman po, appropriate office clothes. So yan naman po ay parati natin ginagawa, So kung ano po yung comfortable po tayo, as long as na maayos po tayong tingnan, decente tayong tingnan, pwede natin suotin po yan pagdating po ng Friday. Then ito naman po, for the non-teaching personnel or the office-based personnel, for Monday naman po, Design D for male and female, ASEAN and Filipiniana inspired. Pag Tuesday po, Design E for male and female. Pag Wednesday naman po, Design F for male and female. And pag Thursday, same po sa teaching personnel, Mauulit po yung uniform nila for Tuesday. So design E po ang gagamitin both for male and female, and for Friday, appropriate office clothes. Alright, so yan po yung scheduling po ng ating pagsusuot ng ating bagong school or ating bagong national DepEd uniform. Alright, ayan. Then ito naman po, ito naman po yung mga following DepEd personnel shall be exempted from wearing the prescribed uniforms. Ito naman po yung mga hindi po nire-required, bibigyan po ng exemption para magsuot po ng ating prescribed DepEd uniform. Ayan, nature of work of DepEd personnel demands that you wear clothing other than those prescribed above, such as but not limited to medical and health personnel. Ayan, yung mga laboratory personnel, siyempre meron po silang sariling sinusuot na mga damit. Ayan, exempted po sila doon. Mga engineers, ayan. Then, sa mga religious affiliation naman po, kung may mga paniniwala po silang ganito-ganyan, pwede rin po yon. Then, physical disabilities, ayan. Then, pregnant female, syempre, pag buntis, hindi naman pwedeng magsuot pa ng uniform, po mga kamaestro. Ayan, DepEd personnel who are mourning due to the death of any member of their family, ayan, pwede rin yan, kasi may mga pamahiin din po tayong sinusunod. Ayan, emergency cases or during rehabilitation efforts, ayan, and other circumstances analogous to the foregoing. Ayan. Alright, so yan po, yan po yung condition po natin. Then, ito naman po, the annual clothing and uniform allowance in the amount of 7,000 pesos or whichever amount shall be appropriated in the succeeding fiscal year for this purpose shall be released to all eligible personnel not earlier than the first working day of April of the current year, subject to existing accounting and auditing rules and regulations, and upon the release of the notice of cash allocation from the Department of Budget and Management. So yan, so nakalagay na rin pala po dito kung kailan i-release po yung ating clothing allowance not earlier than the first day of April. Ibig sabihin, April 1 onwards, ngayon pong susunod na buwan, ay pwede na po natin matanggap ang ating pong clothing allowance. So syempre po, ito ay signed none other than by our DepEd Secretary, Sunny Angara. Alright, so ito na po yung ating official uniform. Ito po yung Monday for male. Ayan, design A for male, ASEAN and Filipiniana inspired. Ayan po yung design nyo po ng ating susuotin sa mga kalalakihan. Ayan. Ang color po niya is marshmallow bone white, embroidered fabric, insert black, and then texturized polylinen medium gray. Ayan po yung ating, hindi ko na po babasahin isa-isa, hindi ako masyadong makarelate sa mga terms na ginagamit, po mga kamaestro. Ayan, basta pinakita ko na po sa inyo yung design or yung design po ng ating Monday uniform for male. Ayan. Ayan, full button po yan mga kamaestro, Ayan. Ito po yung embroidery niya. Next po, ayan, ito naman po yung design A for female sa mga kababaihan naman dyan, mga ma'am. Ayan, sa mga ma'am po natin. Ayan naman po ang ating uniform for Monday. Same din po yan, design A, ASEAN and Filipiniana inspired. Full button din po yan mga maestro. So almost the same, almost the same sa mga boys. Alright? Next naman po, ito naman po yung for Tuesday and Thursday. Sabi ka natin po kanina, mauulit po, Mauulit po yung design B. Gagamitin po yan for Tuesday and Thursday. So ito po yung niya, yung design naman po niya mga kamaestro. So embroidery po itong part na to. Ayan, embroidery po yan mga kamaestro. Alright. Then, next, ito naman po yung para sa mga kababaihan kila ma'am. Ayan, ito naman po yung sa mga kamaestra natin dyan. For Tuesday and Thursday uniform. Design B po yan. Ayan naman po. So ito naman po sa gitna na to is embroidery din po yan mga kamaestro. Alright. Next is, ito yung panghuli, yung design C for male. Ito po yung susutin naman natin for Wednesday. Ayan, so half enter cutting combination with embroidery fabric. So ito po yan, embroidery po ito mga kamaestro. Ayan, embroidery siya. And then, ito naman po kila ma'am. Ayan, for Wednesday. Ito naman po yung design ng inyong school, o ng inyong uniform. Ayan, design C for female. Alright? Ayan, so syempre yung sa non-teaching personnel po, hindi ko na muna isinama kasi sobrang haba na po ng video natin. Ayan, try po natin gawan po ng separate video po yon sa mga kasamaan po natin sa non-teaching personnel. So far po, yan po yung ating tatlong set of uniforms na natin pong gagamitin for this coming school year. Although ito po yung transition period pa lamang, nabanggit na po natin kanina, ngayong pong school year 2025-2026, transition period pa lang po ito. Mayroon pa po tayong opportunity po na magpatahi. And then for 2026-2027, yun po required na pong gamitin itong ating bagong set of uniform. Alright, so dito ko natatapos itong ating video ngayon mga kamaestro. Kung di ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, click mo na ang subscribe button dyan para ikaw yung unang nakakapanood ng mga videos na i-upload natin. Katulad ito, yung mga updates pa rin tungkol sa DepEd and syempre sa mga benefits ng mga teachers and government employees. And syempre, click mo na rin ang notification bell button para ma-notify ka. Always updated ka. May mga bago tayong uploaded na videos. So muli, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood at pakikinig. Once again, El Maestro. See you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!